fresh after we do a little bit of blasting, but other than that, it's looking good. Okay, we're just gonna kick it off today with some sandblasting. We got the mini pop blaster here, and we got most of this chassis prepped in bare metal by the grinder, and we're just gonna freshen it up with the blaster and get her done. Check back. We got this Devin frame finally blasted up, ready for some epoxy paint and some black other gloss paint, and then we'll start the assembly finally. Done deal. Yo, what is going on, everybody? So what we got going on here is just a little bit of welding. This car did have rivets all in it, so the rivets got taken out and then now welded up. It's looking pretty crazy. I'm gonna give it a light grind and then go from there. Here, patched it back together. Gonna cut it, sand it, sheet it again in fiberglass, and then do the inside. We got the Devin here, just doing some crack repair and some light matting. Rocket here, it's got a repair going on it, all the way to the door jamb, as well as there's a big hole right about there. So that hole's been repaired, and then this piece has been kind of put together right about there. And on the other side here, I believe it was yesterday, I had to make the entire panel. So this entire panel is fiberglass in and made up. The tin foil's on there now, just because I had a little bit of a droopage in the corner, fiberglass. But otherwise, the panel there is made on there. And across the top again and down the center here. This one did go a little bit wide though. So the green is just some backing tape. And there's one gloss. So these have been fastened together. And we'll go from there. So what is going on? This is JCR just checking in. So we've got the Devins all fired up here. Got some fiberglass on it on the passenger side, as well on the driver's side. Finished up installing this front corner bit here and putting some resin and some mat on this area just to fasten the body to the front end, as well as these three pieces that were put together. And then a little bit on the rocker, as there was a big crack and the body was starting to snap in half. So I got some fiberglass on there, repaired that and whatnot. So just letting stuff cure, and then I'll be moving forward with sanding it flat and going from there, filling in any lows of fiberglass. And then if all goes well, we'll be able to pop the body off and then fine tune all the cracks from the inside and lay a few layers of mat then. then we'll move forward with everything else in the shop. A couple projects getting painted and a couple that are possibly getting delivered, and we'll move up from there.